Today, we are going to change the pot for this hydrangea. Before you change the pot, you can control the water properly. Sprinkle fertilizer and soil. Mix it well, and use it for new flowers. Let's see how its root system is. I think it should be good. You can turn it upside down like this. See, its root system is really good. To make the new soil blend better with the old soil, you can pull it gently like this. As long as you don't change the pot. During the flowering period, you can pull its root system a little bit. Inside the pot, fill the bottom with a layer of soil. Put it in and try it out. Maybe this is a better space, and it comes out of the circle a little bit bigger. I'll fill it with another layer of soil, so it's the right height. The hydrangea is growing fast this season, and I can't let it finish its roots before winter. So I won't be fertilizing it again now until winter. So I added a lot of fertilizer to it just now as well. And you can tap the pot like this, while filling it in to make it blend and better. So the pot change is complete. Next year it can bloom a lot. Like some thin and soft branches. You can just give it a cut. But I want to try dormant branch cuttings next spring. So I'll wait until spring to prune them. The last step is to water it thoroughly. Several times. Until a lot of water comes out of the bottom.